Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin. We have started 2023 on a very bright note with altcoins pumping to the upside. But guys, is it just a dead cat bounce or is this the start of a new bull run? JasmyCoin is up 67% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, we're still seeing some pumps to the upside. But if you go on the yearly time frame, JasmyCoin is still down 88.7%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Guys, where will JasmyCoin face rejection as we're pumping to the upside? If this is a dead cat bounce, how low can JasmyCoin continue dumping if we start dumping to gobbling town? We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, which is currently around $239 million. Is there a possibility we'll see JasmyCoin's market cap come back to that $189 million region? Maybe drop to as low as $53 million? Or are we going to continue pumping to the upside because JasmyCoin has started a new bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The rally we have seen in the altcoin market started 2023 has been making altcoins pump to the upside. We have seen JasmyCoin go up 67% in the last 1 month. But let's not get carried away, guys. We're still deep in the crypto bear market and altcoins are still down bad on a yearly time frame. If you take a look at JasmyCoin, we've seen JasmyCoin dumping to gobbling town since October 2021. But before it started dumping to gobbling town, JasmyCoin gave us a wonderful 3,700% pump to the upside. A 37x return in just 129 days, which was very, very impressive in the bull market. Right now, JasmyCoin has been dumping to gobbling town since October 2021, going from as high as $0.32, dumping to as low as $0.0026. JasmyCoin is currently down 99.17% in the last 422 days. But we have seen JasmyCoin starting 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen this altcoin pump to the upside by more than 100%. But let's not get carried away, guys. We have seen this kind of pumps in JasmyCoin before. As we are dumping to gobbling town, we saw JasmyCoin pumping in March 2022, where it rallied up 359%. But what happened after that? We continued dumping to gobbling town. So maybe, just maybe, this is just a dead cat bounce we're currently having right now. We have not seen JasmyCoin have any sustained rally since March 2022. So maybe, just maybe, this is our rally we're having right now. Because if JasmyCoin starts dumping to gobbling town, there's a very strong possibility we might see JasmyCoin come back to the $0.0027 level. If it starts off a new bull run, there's always that possibility too that JasmyCoin might come back to test this level. Guys, the fact that all coins are pumping to the moon should not get us carried away. They might just easily dump to gobbling town. Now, key levels where all those thought processes will start changing, where I'll start believing that maybe, just maybe, JasmyCoin is going for that relief rally. And right now, at start of a new bull run, is if JasmyCoin can blast above the $0.0084 region. If JasmyCoin can blast above that level, then we'll know we're back in business. But guys, there's a very strong resistance for JasmyCoin at the $0.0084 level. And from where JasmyCoin is currently trading right now, we'll need JasmyCoin to rally up an additional 64%. If you take a look at the general crypto market, all coins have been pumping. Yes, we have been seeing them rally on the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and also on the monthly time frame. But more importantly, Bitcoin has not been leading this rally. And any rally we have seen in the altcoin market, that Bitcoin has not been ahead of it. If all coins are leading the rally, just know that there's a huge dump coming for us in the future. And a lot of people have been throwing the idea around that the market is manipulated. Guys, JasmyCoin is reaching that decision time. If we can pump to the $0.084 level, a decision will be made whether we've started a new bull run or this was just a dead cat bounce. And if we get rejected at that level, there's always that possibility JasmyCoin will come down to set new lows in this bear market. Guys, in the bear market is where you want to be buying JasmyCoin if you're getting ready for the next bull run. If you're a long-term investor and you're accumulating some JasmyCoin and you're not paying attention to all these little dumps and pumps, if you're holding JasmyCoin till we see it pump above the $0.31 level in the future, deep in the bear market is where you want to be accumulating. Deep in the bear market is where you get your next 10x, 50x, even your next 100x coin. For Jasmy going to go back to where it was trading in October 2021, Jasmy Coin will have to rally up around 6,000%. That's a 60x return on investment. So if you want to get some Jasmy Coin, remember, deep in the bear market is when you want to do it. At the same time, you don't want to go all in when you're buying those altcoins. Altcoins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. So we might still see Jasmy Coin dumping to Goblin Town. The bear market bottom might not be in if Jasmy Coin is not able to pass the $0.0084 level. Let's get ready to start dumping to Goblin Town. But only those investors that didn't go all in, getting carried away by these green candles, will still have some capital on the side. You want to dollar cost average into your positions when you're buying these altcoins, because guys, the bear market can be very long, the bear market can be very, very brutal, and if you go all in, you won't have some capital to buy in when we see those lower prices. If you take a look at some details about Jasmy Coin, in the last 1 month, we have seen Jasmy Coin go from as low as $0.0027 to as high as $0.0058. Jasmy Coin is ranked 132 on CoinMarketCap with over 100,000 people having Jasmy Coin on their watch list. Jasmy Coin has a market cap of $238 million, a fully diluted market cap of $257 million, and out of the maximum supply of 50 billion tokens, Jasmy Coin has 46 billion tokens in circulation. While you want to get some Jasmy Coin for yourself in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, is because Jasmy Coin is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with identifiers and ability to transmit data. The Internet of Things company, Jasmy, specializes in buying and selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects two categories: that service providers and data users. If you want to get some Jasmy Coin for yourself in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Jasmy Coin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on BitTump, on Bittrex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Right now, still deep in the bear market, you're expecting Jasmy Coin to behave like every other altcoin, is dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market. If you also take a look at Jasmy Coin's performance against Ethereum, we're seeing similar action after pumping by the ending phase of the bull run. We saw Jasmy Coin outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum by more than 1,000%. Right now, Jasmy Coin is dumping both against Bitcoin and Ethereum. You might be wondering why Jasmy Coin is losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. Guys, in the bear market, all coins are way more volatile than Bitcoin. In the bear market, you see all coins dumping to Goblin Town harder than Ethereum. And after a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins dump to Goblin Town for the last 1 year, any little dump in price will lead them flipping those altcoins for some Bitcoin and some Ethereum, which will lead those altcoins like Jasmy Coin to continue losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. Even though I believe we'll see Jasmy Coin outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the next bull run, right now you want to be very, very cautious with Jasmy Coin in the bear market. What you want to be doing is accumulating regardless of conditions. By the end of the next bull run, when everything is up only, you will be happy you invested deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at Jasmy Coin's market cap, we saw the market cap shoot from as low as $18 million to as high as more than $200 million. Jasmy Coin's market cap is around $238 million. It's because, guys, we had new Jasmy tokens come into circulation, and that's why we saw the market cap shoot up very, very quickly to the upside. Now we might see Jasmy Coin setting new all-time lows. If the market cap starts dropping right now, for it to get back to that $18 million region, Jasmy Coin's market cap will drop an additional 91%. What will that signify for the price of Jasmy Coin if it's dropping 91% from where we're currently trading? Guys, Jasmy Coin might drop to as low as the $0.00048 level. Always remember with crypto, it's very, very possible. If you think it cannot happen, guys, it can happen. I've seen a lot of altcoins dump 90%, and I've seen them dump 99% after dropping 90%. So be very, very careful with altcoins in the bear market. If you're accumulating them, remember to dollar cost average till the end of the next bull run. Guys, remember, if this is not a dead cat bounce, we'll continue seeing Jasmy Coin continue pumping to higher prices. Maybe the market cap can get to that $500 million region. But Jasmy Coin has deceived us. We've seen it in March. We also saw it in May 2022. So till Jasmy Coin gets above that $0.0084 level, fingers are crossed. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, how high do you see Jasmy Coin going this relief rally? Do you think this was a dead cat bounce, or have we started a new bull run? Are you buying some Jasmy Coin for yourself, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.